Hey guys, it's Kerry. Welcome to my farm and we have a fun ending. I bought this pig today. It was in the supermarket. It's actually a dog toy, but I couldn't resist it. You'll see why. Love it. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. The Knabstrupper mare. What a beautiful looking horse with her tail flying up behind her and her black spots on a white body. The Knabstrupper breed was first established in 1812 in Denmark. A chestnut mare with leopard complex blanket markings was bred to a solid coloured stallion, producing a colt with dramatic spotting. The black stallion. This is a beautiful model. You can see the white marking on its face and the big tail flying up behind. It's reared up on its back legs. A stallion is a male horse that is able to produce offspring. Let's put them in the farmyard now. I can't resist that. Here's the black stallion, the Knabstrupper mare, and her foal. The male goat is called a billy goat. You can see the tassels under his chin, and he's got some long horns. They're curving backwards. Goats are closely related to sheep. Goats have been used for milk, meat, fur, and skins across much of the world. Milk from goats is often turned into goat cheese. The baby goat is known as a kid. When goats are born, twins are the most common, with single and triplet births also happening. The female mother goat is called a nanny goat, and you can see she's got milk there in her udder. She's still got the tassel under the chin and shorter horns. Both males and females may have beards, and many types of dairy goats have wattles, one dangling from each side of the neck. The frogs have come to the watering hole. A group of frogs is called an army. This usually happens during the breeding season. Frogs drink water through their skin. They are found all over the world except for Antarctica. An adult female is referred to as a ewe. Sheep are domesticated ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. Sheep are raised for fleeces, meat, and milk. A sheep wool. The male sheep is known as a ram, and look at those curved horns curving around its ears and right under its chin. The long woolen coat will keep it nice and warm in the cool weather. And here's their little lamb. I really like 3D puzzles. Now this sheep one is a bit tricky. We take them apart sometimes to practice, but this is probably one of my slower ones. A sheep's wool is the most widely used animal fibre and is usually cut by shearing. Let's place them around the farm. Colours of domestic sheep range from pure white to dark chocolate brown, and even spotted or piebald sheep. The swan with her 3 cygnets, she's giving them a ride on her back as she paddles through the water with those big black feet. turkey is such an interesting animal. I really like the red snoot on its front there, and look at all those tail feathers. Turkeys are excellent flyers and can fly straight up 50 feet to roost in a tree at night. If they can't outrun a predator, they will just simply fly away very fast. And now I've got a couple of geese. This brown one is a female. Mandarin duck. They are famous for being monogamous, which means that they mate for life. And a mallard duck. This is a male duck. I can tell by the beautiful colours. Okay, off we go, down to the watering hole, and you can have a bit of a swim and a splash. Frisian bull. The Dutch and German breeders bred and oversaw the development of the breed with the goal of obtaining animals that could best use grass. Over the centuries, the result was a high-producing black and white dairy cow. Notice how the black comes around onto its face. Frisian cow. In Europe, the breed is used for milk in the north and meat in the south. They are best known across the world for their milk production. The 3D puzzle cow. Now this is one of my favourites, except for that leg that keeps falling off. It's much easier to put together because of the black patches. The Frisian calf. The calves are amazing. Within 30 minutes they're standing up, feeding from their mothers. The bull, the cow, the calf, and the 3D puzzle cow. Let's take a quick look. We've got the swan and her cygnets, the mandarin duck, the mallard duck, the geese, the knabstrappers, the goats, my yellow squeaky toy, the sheep and the cows.